Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, friends. If you're watching this, you've probably just packed away those twinkling lights and ornaments, and now you're staring at spaces that feel a little empty. But here's the beautiful truth. After Christmas is the perfect time to embrace the serene, timeless beauty of farmhouse design with neutral tones and gorgeous natural light. Today, I'm taking you on a complete home tour that will inspire you to create a peaceful, cozy retreat that feels fresh for the new year. So grab your favorite warm beverage, get comfortable, and if you're loving this content already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Before we step inside, let's talk about that stunning farmhouse exterior that welcomes you home. The key to post-holiday farmhouse curb appeal is embracing simplicity with impact. Think crisp white or soft gray board and batten siding, paired with natural wood accents on shutters or porch posts. Remove those Christmas wreaths and replace them with a simple eucalyptus wreath, or even leave your door beautifully bare to showcase its natural wood grain. Add symmetry with matching planters flanking your entrance, filled with winter greenery like boxwood or ornamental grasses. The goal here is creating what designers call quiet luxury, understated elegance that doesn't shout for attention but draws you in with its warmth and authenticity. Step through that front door into an entryway that's both beautiful and brilliantly functional. Your entry should work as hard as it looks good. Install a rustic wooden coat rack or wall-mounted hooks in matte black or oil-rubbed bronze for hanging coats and hats. Below, position a vintage-inspired bench with woven basket storage underneath for shoes. This creates what we call layered functionality. Add a large leaning mirror with a distressed wood or simple black frame to bounce that precious natural light around. Place a jute or sisal mat underfoot for texture, and on a small console table, keep a ceramic bowl for keys alongside a single stem and a glass bottle. Remember, entryways set the entire tone for your home's narrative. Welcome to the heart of farmhouse living, a space where neutral doesn't mean boring. Your post-Christmas living room should feel like a warm hug. Start with a foundation of creamy whites, soft taupes, and warm beiges. Position your seating to maximize natural light from windows. Never block those beautiful rays. Choose a linen or cotton slipcover sofa for that relaxed, lived-in feel. Layer in texture through chunky knit throws, linen pillows, and a natural fiber rug like jute or wool. Add warmth with reclaimed wood elements, perhaps a coffee table or floating shelves. The secret here is creating what designers call tonal layering, using various shades of neutrals to add depth without introducing busy patterns or colors. Now let's talk about styling this beautiful neutral canvas. After the holiday maximalism, embrace cozy minimalism, fewer pieces, but each one intentional. On your coffee table, try a wooden dough bowl filled with natural elements like dried hydrangeas or cotton stems. Flank your sofa with simple ceramic table lamps with linen shades for ambient lighting. Add a vintage ladder leaning against the wall to display your favorite throws. Incorporate what's called organic sculpture. Think a piece of driftwood, a ceramic vase, or a wooden bowl, items that feel collected rather than purchased. The rule of 3 works beautifully here. Group items in odd numbers for visual interest. Remember, negative space is your friend in farmhouse design. Moving into the dining room, this is where farmhouse design truly shines in creating inviting gathering spaces. After the holiday feasts, it's time to embrace everyday elegance. Your dining table is the star. Opt for a substantial wood table in natural or whitewashed finish that can weather daily life. Surround it with a mix of seating, perhaps Windsor-style chairs or simple crossback designs in natural wood or painted white. Position the table to catch morning or afternoon light if possible. Add a simple pendant light fixture above. Think aged metal or wooden beads for authentic farmhouse charm. The beauty of farmhouse dining is its democracy. It's unpretentious and welcoming, perfect for both casual breakfasts and special dinners. Let's style that beautiful dining table for post-Christmas living. Start with a table runner in natural linen or burlap. This adds texture without covering your gorgeous wood. Create a centerpiece using a long wooden tray or dough bowl filled with simple elements. White pillar candles in varying heights, small potted herbs like rosemary, or a collection of white ceramic vessels. Add individual elements at each place setting, perhaps a simple linen napkin tied with jute twine. Consider using white or cream-colored dinnerware for that clean, cohesive look. Above the table, if you have open shelving, display your everyday dishes, ironstone, or wooden cutting boards. This is what we call functional decor, beautiful items you actually use daily. Welcome to the Farmhouse kitchen, where functionality meets timeless beauty. After the holiday baking marathon, it's time to reset this hardworking space. Farmhouse kitchens embrace what designers call honest materials, wood, stone, and metal in their most authentic forms. If you're blessed with natural wood cabinets, let them shine. If painted, classic white or soft sage creates that airy feel. Your countertops should be practical. Think butcher block, soapstone, or marble. Position frequently used items within easy reach, but maintain clear counters for that uncluttered look. Natural light is crucial here, so keep window treatments minimal or opt for simple cafe curtains. The goal is creating a kitchen that feels both hardworking and soul-soothing. Let's add those finishing touches that make your kitchen feel curated. On open shelving or glass front cabinets, display everyday dishes in neutral tones, white ironstone, cream ceramics, or natural wood pieces. Style your countertops minimally. Perhaps a vintage cutting board leaning against the backsplash, a ceramic crock holding wooden utensils, and fresh herbs in simple terracotta pots on the windowsill. Your refrigerator should blend seamlessly. If it's stainless, consider magnetic panels. If not, keep the exterior clear of clutter. Near your stove, arrange cooking essentials in matching canisters. For your coffee station, use a small wooden tray to corral your coffee machine and favorite mugs. Remember, farmhouse kitchens celebrate the beauty of everyday objects used with intention. Step into the family room, where comfort reigns supreme. This is your casual living space, more relaxed than the formal living room. After packing away holiday decorations, embrace what I call permission to relax design. Position your seating around that flat-screen TV, but don't let it dominate. Consider mounting it above a vintage console or incorporating it into built-in shelving painted in a soft neutral. Choose deeper, sink-in seating with washable slipcovers. Durability matters here. Add a large ottoman that doubles as a coffee table and extra seating. Layer in cozy textures, a chunky cable knit throw, oversized floor pillows, and a plush area rug. This room should whisper stay a while still maintaining that clean, uncluttered farmhouse aesthetic. Now for the styling details that make this space feel personal yet polished. Create a gallery wall with family photos in matching simple frames, black, white, or natural wood. On floating shelves flanking the TV, style books horizontally and vertically, interspersed with small plants and meaningful objects. Add baskets underneath for remote controls and throws. Concealed storage keeps clutter at bay. Consider a vintage trunk as a side table for hidden storage. Place a floor lamp with a linen shade in a reading corner for task lighting. The key to family room styling is making it look effortlessly curated while actually being highly functional. Every item should earn its place by being either useful or deeply meaningful. Let's explore this multifunctional space that's become essential in modern farmhouse living. Your home office doesn't need a dedicated room. A corner or nook works beautifully. Choose a small, simple desk in natural wood or painted white with clean lines, nothing too ornate. Position it near a window to maximize that productivity-boosting natural light. Add a comfortable chair, perhaps a vintage wooden desk chair or a simple upholstered seat. On your desk, keep it minimal. A small desk lamp, a unique vintage desk clock for character, and perhaps a small succulent. Include a small vintage radio for background ambience. Mount a simple shelf above for reference books and decorative items. This workspace should feel like a peaceful retreat, not a corporate office. Adjacent to or near your home office, create a reading nook that invites you to slow down. This is about crafting what designers call micro-moments of luxury, small spaces that feel incredibly special. Position a comfortable upholstered chair or vintage armchair near a window where natural light floods in. Add a small side table in wood or metal for your coffee cup and current read. Drape a chunky knit throw over the chair's arm and add a linen pillow for lumbar support. Place a floor lamp nearby for evening reading. Choose one with an adjustable arm for directed light. A small basket on the floor can hold extra books or magazines. Perhaps add a small wall-mounted shelf for your growing book collection. This nook should feel like your personal escape within your home. Enter the farmhouse bedroom, where neutral tones and natural light create the ultimate peaceful retreat. After the holiday hustle, your bedroom should feel like a spa-like sanctuary. Start with the bed. Choose an upholstered headboard in natural linen or a simple wooden frame. Dress it in layers of white and cream bedding, what we call a monochromatic palette, adding texture through different fabrics like cotton, linen, and gauze. Position the bed to face windows if possible, allowing you to wake with natural light. Keep nightstands simple. Vintage wooden tables or painted stands with minimal styling. Add table lamps with linen shades for soft, ambient lighting. The floor can feature a natural fiber rug or light-colored wool for warmth underfoot. Let's add those finishing touches that transform your bedroom into a retreat. Above the bed, hang a large piece of simple artwork, perhaps an abstract neutral painting or a wooden architectural element. On nightstands, keep it minimal. A small lamp, a single book, and maybe a small plant or bud vase with fresh eucalyptus. Window treatments should be soft and light filtering. Linen curtains in cream or white allow natural light while maintaining privacy. Add a vintage bench or upholstered ottoman at the foot of the bed for putting on shoes and extra blanket storage. In the corner, consider a cozy chair with a throw, your morning coffee spot. The goal is creating restful minimalism, where every element contributes to sleep-friendly tranquility and relaxation. Welcome to your farmhouse bathroom, where functionality meets serene beauty. After holiday guests, it's time to restore this space to a personal sanctuary. Keep the color palette light and airy. White subway tile, beadboard walls, or shiplap in soft neutrals create that classic farmhouse foundation. Your shower area should be simple and clean. Consider a frameless glass enclosure or a classic white shower curtain on a matte black rod. At the waste-of-fell or sink area, choose a vessel sink or undermount basin paired with a vintage-inspired faucet in matte black or brushed nickel. Add a large mirror, perhaps with a simple wooden frame, to maximize light reflection. Underfoot, place a plush cotton bath mat in white or natural tones. Now let's style this space with practical elegance. On open shelving near the waste-of-fell, fold white towels in thirds and stack them neatly. This is both functional and visually pleasing. Add small woven baskets for organizing toiletries and keeping counters clear. Place a ceramic soap dispenser and a small tray with hand soap and lotion in matching neutral containers. Add life with a small plant that thrives in humidity, like a fern or pothose in a simple ceramic pot. Near the shower, keep essentials in a simple wire or wooden caddy. Include a vintage stool or small bench for towels or decorative storage baskets underneath. The farmhouse bathroom embraces what I call honest utility, items that serve a purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic harmony. Let's not forget the farmhouse garage, a space that's often overlooked but deserves attention. After storing holiday decorations, it's time to organize thoughtfully. Your garage should embrace industrial farmhouse style, functional metal and wood elements that are both practical and attractive. Install sturdy wooden shelving units or metal utility shelves along walls, keeping frequently used items at eye level. Use matching storage bins or galvanized metal containers labeled clearly for easy access. Add hooks along the walls for hanging tools, bikes, or garden equipment, keeping the floor as clear as possible. If space allows, create a small workbench area with a butcher block top and good task lighting. Paint walls in light colors to maximize brightness, and consider adding simple pendant lights for improved visibility. Even your garage can have farmhouse charm with thoughtful details. Along your shelving, use vintage-style metal bins or wooden crates for smaller items. These are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Create a small potting station if you're a gardener, using a wooden bench and hanging simple tools on a pegboard painted in a neutral color. Add a vintage-inspired floor mat at the entrance for wiping feet. Consider painting your garage door interior in a soft neutral to tie into your home's overall palette. Install motion sensor lighting for convenience. Keep a broom and dustpan in a designated spot, perhaps in a galvanized bucket. The key is treating this utilitarian space with the same intentionality as your interior rooms, creating what designers call whole home cohesion. Finally, let's step onto your farmhouse patio, where indoor comfort meets outdoor beauty. Even in winter, this space can be styled beautifully for those crisp, sunny days. Your patio should feel like an extension of your interior, maintaining that neutral palette and natural material focus. Choose simple, weather-resistant furniture in natural wood tones or painted white, perhaps a wooden bench or a small bistro set. Add comfort with outdoor cushions in neutral fabrics and outdoor safe throws for chilly evenings. Under your feet, consider an outdoor jute rug or simply let natural stone or wood decking shine. Add string lights with Edison bulbs overhead for ambience, and incorporate planters with winter greenery like evergreens, ornamental grasses, or even bare branches for architectural interest. Let's add those finishing touches that make your patio feel intentional. On your outdoor table, create a simple centerpiece using a galvanized metal tray filled with pillar candles and natural elements like pine cones or bare branches. Hang a simple wreath on an exterior wall. Eucalyptus or grapevine works beautifully post-holidays. Add lanterns in various sizes with LED candles for gentle evening lighting. Consider a vintage ladder leaning against the house to hold potted plants or small decorative items. If you have patio furniture, add outdoor pillows in weathered stripes or solids. A small outdoor rug defines the seating area and adds warmth. The farmhouse patio should embody what I call rustic refinement, comfortable and unpretentious, yet thoughtfully curated to extend your living space beautifully into the outdoors. And there you have it, friends. A complete after-Christmas farmhouse home tour showcasing the timeless beauty of neutral tones and natural light. I hope this tour has inspired you to embrace the peaceful, intentional living that farmhouse design offers. Remember, creating your perfect space isn't about perfection. It's about crafting a home that feels authentically you. The beauty of neutral farmhouse style is its flexibility and timelessness. It never goes out of style and always feels welcoming. If you enjoyed this tour, please show some love by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. Drop a comment below telling me which space was your favorite or what farmhouse element you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep creating spaces that tell your beautiful story. Happy decorating!